Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to V's Kitchen, and I believe you are doing great. Today I want to share with you my simple way of making this delicious and healthy oilless jute leaf soup, and I hope you like it. Please stay tuned to the end and be inspired as always, and to support a girl, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and I'll appreciate it. Without further ado, let's begin. To the saucepan, I'm adding my locust beans or dawa. Next, I'll give it a stir and I'll let it steam for about 2 minutes. And after that, add a little bit more water so that it doesn't burn. And then next, I'll add my scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Yeah. I'll continue to mix everything together and allow them to steam for another 2 minutes. Then add my all-purpose green marinade. And then my salted fish for more flavor. Again, I'll stir for another 2 minutes for them to release their flavors together. And next I'll add my shrimp tablet to elevate the flavor. I'll stir to mix everything together and then proceed to add my onions, yeah? And next I'll add my herring fillet. You can as well use any protein of your choice, okay? Again, I'll stir to mix everything together until well combined. And finally, I'll add my cucumber and then I'll give it a gentle stir, yeah? And I'll allow them to steam for about 3 minutes for them to release their flavors together and until the herring fillets are tender. 3 minutes later, I'm coming in with my frozen and blended jute leaves, or what we call ayoyo in some parts of Ghana. You can as well use the fresh one and you'll be good to go. Lovely, to support the girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see. Also comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Next, I'm coming in with my chopped okra and it's totally optional, but I love the combination here. I'll proceed to add a little bit of water to loosen it up a bit, and then I'll add my baking soda to help with the sliminess. Now is the time to stir really well until well combined, and I'll give it time to steam properly for about 5 minutes. And after that, I'll come in with my chopped spinach, just like this, and I'll finally add water to my desired level. Okay, I added the spinach at this stage because I want its freshness in my soup. However, you can always add it earlier than this, yeah? And I want this soup to be a little bit light, so the water will be a little bit more than when you want it thick, yeah? At this point, I'll leave the soup to cook to perfection. And this will take about 8 to 10 minutes because I do not want to overcook it to lose all the nutrients in it. I hope you get it. And since this jute leaf soup can easily boil over, I'll make sure at this point the heat is not too high, and also periodically I'll be stirring to avoid that, okay? Even though there's no salt in this jute leaf soup, but it's so perfect because of the salted fish in there and because of the seasoning cube. However, you can still add salt if that's what you want, okay? Our soup is ready and I love everything about it. Talk of the flavor, amazing. Talk of the aroma, super, super good. And talk of the salt content, as I've just said, is so perfect. And I paired my jute leaf soup or ayoyo nkwan with my yellow banku, which the video is playing on my channel. Please head there, watch the video and be inspired. Better still, I'll leave the link in the description box, so don't forget to check it out, okay? And I also have the video of my stew also playing on my channel. I'll as well leave the link in the description box. Don't forget to check it out and be inspired, yeah? And to those of you who want thick juice leaf soup or ayoyo nkwan, this one is for you. You just have to let the water dry out some more and you are good to go. And yes, I added my crunch, which is totally optional, but you will love it. Lovelies, if it's your first time ever seeing my video, I hope you've been inspired enough to join this amazing family. So please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. That's it for now, and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care and enjoy. Toodles. Peace out.